Hey everyone, here's a quick video going over two recent Midjourney updates that I think are kind of a big deal. First, Describe is now available on the website. I can't believe it's finally here. This feature will allow Midjourney to write some prompts for you based on a picture that you provide. Up until now, we could do this on Discord, but it's finally available on the website and it's really easy to use. Let's take a look at these images from my card design mood board. All you need to do is right-click on one of your pictures and you will see Describe image right here at the top. Now, at the top of your page, Midjourney is going to write 4 prompts for you. An enchanting illustration of a moonlit castle, a fantasy medieval city with an ornate gate, a fantasy book cover of an old castle surrounded by water. We can click down here at Use Prompt, it will fill the prompt box for us, and then we can make any adjustments that we want. Alternatively, we can click over here at Run All Prompts to try all of them. Let's do that for sure. Just to remind you, there's our original, and then let's look at Midjourney's first attempt. The enchanting illustration of a moonlit castle framed by intricate golden borders and adorned with mystical symbols. And what do you think? I'd say these are pretty beautiful. Oh, take a look at these. Way different. I mean, sort of different. I do like them a lot, and I think it's good we get a bit of variety in between the prompts. As in, Midjourney's not going to give you 4 prompts that are completely identical. And maybe one of these 4 will be exactly what you're looking for, assuming you weren't trying to just recreate the original photo. Oh, I like these a lot. That darkness, I like the contrast, I like how dark it is. Maybe even this one here, that blue in the sky, is so beautiful. And then we have these that are a lot softer. Much more of a fantasy book cover, I'd say. Now, these 4 prompts written right here will actually disappear if you close the web page. So that's why you might want to just try Run All Prompts so you don't lose them. In the announcement, it says to keep your creation feed clean, these prompts will disappear once you refresh the page. As you can see, it is now gone. The Describe feature is also available on the Explore page, so you can do this with other people's prompts. Maybe you don't want to copy them exactly, but you find a picture that you like. Like this one here, I think that's really cool. I'd love to know how to create it. But instead of clicking on the prompt, let's just try this. We're going to right click on the picture and then Describe image. Now my create page will get filled with the 4 prompts. Let's run all of them and see how close it is to the original. All right, not exactly what I was thinking, but I guess that's okay. These are also a little strange. I mean, they're pretty, just they're not exactly like the original. Same idea here, but still nice. And this prompt turned out the same, pretty different from where we wanted to start. But maybe that's a good thing, so you're not exactly copying people. But then again, if we look at the original, I don't think there was any chance Midjourney was gonna get this type of picture without some of these parameters. Like, look at this prompt. Foxfire, what a concept, some emojis, Chaos 99, Stylize 850, and Weird 99. Yeah. A prompt, words on its own, will never create this. But maybe that's just a good lesson for you. There is another way to access the Describe feature that you can use for pictures you already have on your computer. Let's just pretend we were on my desktop. If you clicked on an image and dragged it into the Midjourney website, you can now drop it down here to Describe. Again, that will cause Midjourney to write 4 prompts on your create page. So I know I dragged that picture from the website, but again, if you dragged a picture from your desktop onto the website, it would appear there. You know what, let me just show you. And we can test another thing out. What happens if we run the Describe twice on the same picture? Okay, let's run all these prompts. Now, if I take this image from my download folder and I drag it into Midjourney, yes, it will appear right there. I can drop the image to Describe. Now let's run it again and see what it comes up with. Oh, these are beautiful down here. Minimalist collage, surrealist illustration. Really beautiful. These aren't bad. I like risograph though. An abstract collage, I think these colors are a little dull, at least compared to the others. And then, well, yeah, these are pretty sick. I like them a lot. And we can already see here that the prompts are different the second time you run it. I mean, they're not going to be way different, but they will be somewhat different. Same, but different. So maybe if you don't like your first 4 attempts, try it again. Because yeah, these are pretty cool. And then, whoa, look at these. I love that orange. I think that's so beautiful. It has orange specifically in the prompt, and that's something you might want to adjust. Run the Describe, put the prompt in the prompt box, and then maybe add some of your own colors that you want to see. I like these, and then whoa, these are way different. Beautiful, love that reflection. Reflections in a lake. Powerful word right there. Now, I will have another video coming out about the describe feature and what you can do with it, but for now, let's move on to the second feature that Midjourney added recently, and that is adding more than one mood board to a prompt. Combining multiple profiles is extremely powerful, and we can do this in a few ways. Let's start with a prompt. I want to see a koala having a good time. And then we can go into our settings, scroll down a bit, turn personalize on, and then when we click this drop down menu, we have access to all of our profiles that we created, all of our mood boards. And then let's click on some of them. I'm going to start with Messy 3000 and Edge Detection. I want to see how Midjourney is going to combine these two together. Now let's run that prompt. But it's crazy that we can just keep adding more and more. Let's add the pop art cartoon. Mandala is pretty crazy. And why not some acid wave? How about some ancient paper? And then anatomical drawings. Yeah, let's try that. We have 7 mood boards selected. All right, so this first one right here, this is the mood board Messy 3000 and Edge Detection. This is a black and white and a colorful mood board, and look what we get. Those are so cool. Oh, that's intense. Combining mood boards is a great way to add a little bit of one with a little bit of another. Our black and white koala, very monochromatic, with these extremely colorful accents. So much fun to do. And if you want the codes to these mood boards, I give them all away at no extra cost to the members of my community, the Future Tech Academy. You can check us out in the description below, I'll leave a link. Just the other day I released my newest profile, pack number 4. There are 19 fresh mood boards for everyone to try. And then oh my god, look what happened to our koala with 7 mood boards. Pop art, Messy 3000, Mandala, Edge Detection, Acid Wave. These are wild. It's so cool. Yeah, he certainly looks like he's having a good time. But now I want to show you this. If you go over to your personalization tab, you can see that personalization is on here. But what you're really going to want to do, especially as you create more mood boards, is click down here at clear all. This will make sure that you're not randomly generating on all of those profiles again. And now that it's cleared, we can go down here and we can select different mood boards over here beside their name. So let's try the stick man. This is definitely black and white. And ooh, and let's go with 8-bit. What do you think that's gonna look like? Let's try, how about a koala drinking a coffee? Look how cool these are. That's so beautiful. Definitely like an 8-bit cartoon stickman drawing, kind of. A little bit of color on the coloring page, except for this one, but I do like that a lot. Fantastic stuff. Maybe you should know that there is no way to weight the different influences of each board, at least not right now, and honestly probably not in the future either. By the way, you can also combine mood boards with SREF codes. Let me show you. We're gonna clear all. We're gonna write a prompt, koala surfing a wave. Let's go down and let's pick, you know, I don't mind aesthetic geometry. I think this one's pretty cool. You know what, I'll generate it once to show you what it looks like, and then we'll combine it with an SREF code. So there you go, we get these really heavy yellow, pinks, and blues in our generation. But now back in our prompt, I typed SREF random. It should run that mood board with a random style reference code, which means I have no idea what this is going to create. It is the perfect way to generate unique images. Nobody is ever going to have your exact combo. And okay, I like these a lot. They're a little lighter on the eyes, but maybe we can do that again. Let's try 3 randoms plus the mood board. What is this going to create? Okay. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. And look, if you want even more Midjourney mood board tips, you should really watch this video now. I hope you're doing well. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Peace.